Hi guys, today's weather is really good and I am at the center of the University of Regina. So I thought that I should take a round of university, uh, mainly the center of the university, so that you can see some good views of the University of Regina. And yeah, today's temperature is 6 degrees centigrade, and after spending so many days in minus, like -5, -10, -15 kind of a temperature, and then suddenly it's like today is +6 degree. So yeah, it feels like a summer for us, and so many people are going to enjoy today because it's Saturday also. And yeah, the weather is really good. uh, I also feel like I should wear the glasses, and today I don't have that big heavy jacket, so I'm feeling feeling really good. And yeah, it seriously feels like a summer today, and really good weather. विंड भी काफ़ी अच्छी चल रही है, इतनी ज़्यादा भी नहीं है. अदरवाइज so many times we feel really cold because of wind only. So wind is also quite good today. And yeah, view is, you can see behind me the view of the University of Regina. Snow is going to melt, and that is going to create so many problems because everywhere is like a dirty water sometimes. And yeah, that's the only problem. Otherwise the weather is really good. And as you can see behind me, maybe it's a little bit dark because the sun is over there, but I hope you can see the view of the University of Regina. And yeah, so many people asked me and tell me that you should make a University of Regina tour. So I'm soon going to make that video. I'm really busy nowadays, that's the reason I'm not uploading the videos regularly, because I'm engaged over here in a lot of activities like volunteering stuffs, and then I'm also a member of some student union to improve the quality of education and everything over here. So whatever is like a software research and everything, we are engaging with the professor and we are trying to develop that. So yeah, I am engaged in a lot of activities nowadays. I'm also an international peer advisor, so I am engaging with them also. As you have seen in my previous videos, that I am engaged in the activities like the airport pickup. So yeah, and I am also doing my masters, as you know, so I have to study also, I have exams also. And yeah, that's the kind of stuff that keep me busy always. So yeah, I have to grab some time for making the video. Sometime I already had 3 videos in pending. I already made the videos, but I have to edit those videos, and really that's a really tough task for me right now, because I have to arrange the time management is the main thing for doing all these stuffs, because I am doing part-time job also, and yeah, I have to manage everything. So yeah, next Monday is a really important presentation, and I am here today at the University of Regina. Even it's Saturday, it's holiday, but still I am here today because I have to prepare for that presentation. And yeah guys, so I am seriously really busy, and my friend is waiting over there. If I will not finish this video early, then he's going to shout on me for sure, because we are preparing for this presentation from last 1 week, and still so many things we need to finish, so many things is pending, and we have only today and tomorrow, and Monday we have to present this. Also I have one more important presentation on Tuesday, and I haven't prepared anything for that, so I am so much worried about that, and I have to do it as soon as possible. So yeah guys, this is a quick video and the view of the University of Regina. I'm going to upload this video right away, today only. So I will put a I will edit this video fast as soon as possible, and then I will upload for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. That's it for today in this video guys. I hope you like this video and enjoy watching my channel. If you have any questions or any suggestions for making the videos, so let me know, so that I can make that kind of videos for you guys. And thanks for supporting me always, and this is Rams. I hope to see you soon in the next video guys. Till then, you take care my friends, and bye bye.